here at Masarik Park. I've already taken several shots of this bird, and I just wanted to get a little footage. Might be 6 feet away. Most of the time, you have to be really quiet to get them to come this close. I'm hoping he'll turn around again. Of course, my sweetheart next to me is making chirping noises as well, trying to encourage him to come closer. Whether he comes closer or not, there's some footage. Just gonna film for about 3 minutes so that I have something to add to maybe a speed paint or something for a YouTube video idea. I might do a voiceover. Hey little birdie. Hey little birdie. You don't want to turn around? That's fine. Cheep, cheep, cheep. These birds are so small. There's little squares on the fence, might be 3 inches. And that's from corner to corner. So, that's how small that birdie is. Of course, the park is really busy, so getting to see any wildlife is rather difficult. Because of course, animals don't like to be around a lot of people, a lot of human noise. I don't know how much of the parking lot you're hearing. Not this, but I'm trying to hopefully record a lot of the cheeping to give some inspiration. I feel like this is a good test of my camera skills and my new camera capabilities as well. There's another one. I'm really zoomed in, so I don't want to lose track of that, but let's see where it's, see? I know, I'm trying to find him. There he is. There's the other one we just watched, and he's quite quick flittering around there. Just watching. Also a very small bird, but not quite as small. I think it might be a little bigger. It's a different kind of bird. I'm not very good at identifying the birds, but that little one I think might be a finch of some kind. This one's some other kind of small bird, but it's bigger than a finch.
Looks like the smaller bird's tail feathers are missing.
You know what? I didn't even notice that, but you're right, it does. Hopefully the smaller bird will grow them back, but I'm not extremely knowledgeable about birds. I do know that when you clip a bird's wings, you clip the feathers themselves, not the wing itself, and the feathers do grow back. So there's no way of knowing how badly the tail feathers anyway. It's 8 minutes. Stop that banging. Like I said, park's busy. I don't know if you heard that banging. It's probably some kids somewhere. It's a youngling. And I think I caught that. Wow. That was awesome. It's so awesome to be. So maybe the tail feathers aren't. Like, maybe it's not because it's damaged. It might just be they haven't gone in yet. I don't know. That's it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed.